Is your body camera rolling?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Do you have ID?
No.
Well, according to South Carolina law, you have to have identification.
When it comes to law enforcement, when you are asked to identify yourself, you are required to identify yourself.
If I've committed a crime, about to commit a crime,
no, sir.
I'll give you my first name. It's Good Citizen.
Negative, sir.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video is out of Hardyville, South Carolina, and features the channel Colorado Lookout. While filming a police encounter, he was approached by officers of the Hardyville Police Department. A supervisor arrived on scene and tries to hem him up for anything she can find. Let's start the video.
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Officer Rucker with the Hardyville PD.
Okay.
What you doing out this late night? Go heading this way.
Did I do something wrong?
I'm just trying to make sure everything's good.
All right, you have a blessed night, sir.
Hey.
Am I being held for anything?
Well, actually, yeah, right now you are being detained.
For what reason?
All right, what are you doing?
Don't worry about what I'm doing. I didn't break no law, right?
You're right here.
What was your name and badge number? He already identified himself.
I'm Officer Hager.
What was your badge number?
I'm Officer Hager.
Officer Hager? Okay, if you don't want to identify yourself, I'll speak with this officer.
That's fine.
Okay, so what's going on tonight?
Don't worry about it.
From over here, whatever and stuff. What's up?
Don't worry about it. I'm out here watching you guys.
Okay.
I see how you guys like to sit out here in the middle of the road with no lights on.
Okay, you got any ID on you so we can...
For what reason? Like I said, did I commit a crime? Do you suspect me of committing a crime, or am I going to commit a crime?
Well, right now, I'm trying to figure out who you are and why you're out here this late.
I'm somebody that watches cops. How about that?
Okay, you're somebody that watches cops.
Yep.
Like, I identified myself to you.
I understand, but you're a public official, correct?
Okay.
Is it not policy for you to?
Where's your identification?
Do I have the Fourth Amendment? Do I not have the Fourth Amendment?
Yes, you do.
Okay.
And I'm not violating that by asking for your identification.
Okay, and I'm telling you I don't want to identify to you, sir.
All right, well, here's the problem. You're out here watching cops?
Yep.
We have an officer up there that you're walking.
That's fine.
Do you have ID?
No.
What's your name?
Don't worry about it. Good
If
citizen.
you want to play this game, that's fine.
Okay.
You're getting ready to walk on one of my officers on a traffic stop saying that you watch cops.
Oh, yeah.
So we're watching you.
All I'm doing. All right, you can watch me. You can follow me.
No, you're going to stay right here.
Or what are you going to do? Are you going to arrest me for it?
It seems as though the first officer is going to honor Colorado Lookout's Fourth Amendment right when he states that he is asking for the ID, making it clear that it is not an order, but the intimidation tactics used by both officers suggest otherwise.
Listen.
Are you giving me a lawful order, sir? I'm asking you that. Okay, is your body camera rolling?
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
Do you have ID?
No.
So you're out here saying that you watch cops.
I got ID, but you ain't getting it because I ain't break no law.
Listen, you're in the middle of the dark.
It don't matter. Here, you want me to turn on a light? I'll turn on a flashlight for you.
Well, you're going to stay here until we're done with my officer.
The hell I am. I'm going to be out here all night, and I'm going to be watching each and every one of you.
And that's fine.
You're damn right it is, because that's what I'm allowed to do. It's my right. No.
Keep your hands out your pockets.
No, I just put my flashlight away.
Keep your hands out your pockets.
What are you scared? You got guns. I don't got no weapons.
And that's
Don't
fine.
be scared, homie. All right?
Matter of fact, keep your hands out your pockets. We're just going to pat you down for weapons.
All right, so you guys see this officer right here? Go ahead, pat me down, fool. Y'all see this? This is Hardyville Police Department. Oh, don't be taking my shit. Don't go in my pockets. Don't go in my pockets. All right? You can check me all you want, but you ain't going in my pockets.
You got ID?
You ain't getting it.
I just asked about ID.
You ain't getting it.
Do whatever you want.
I know I can. That's why I can. Trust me. I want your sergeant out here. Call him out here. Call your sergeant out here.
Oh, you want my sergeant?
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's fine.
Thank you.
8, 12.
Get out of my pockets. Don't go in my pockets.
Got an individual videotaping the supervisor. What's your name and date of birth?
Don't worry about it. Unless if I've committed a crime, you ain't getting it. Unless I committed a crime, you ain't getting it.
What's your name and date of birth?
I ain't giving it to you. You're one of those tyrants out here that like to violate people's rights, ain't you? Because, see, I know my rights.
I bet you do.
I do.
And I know we have an officer up there.
I don't give a damn what you get. I'll do whatever I want. You ain't going to stop me. All right, right now you got about 15 minutes before you're illegally detaining me. So what the f do you got me detained for?
You one of my my supervisor.
Okay, because of the fact that you just literally patted me down for no reason. That's what a tyrant does. I don't give a if you know me. You don't need to know me. You don't need to know me, homie. I don't give a I don't care. You guys are, you're scared. You're scared. You with all that weapons on you. Look at you. Who are you, Rambo? Get out of here, bro.
Whatever, man.
Am I free to leave?
No, you called for my supervisor.
All right. So if you're holding me here for something, okay. Well, my time's running because I started my clock. So
you had somebody drop
don't worry about it, homie.
So you had somebody drop
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it?
Yep. Don't worry about it.
You don't have any ID?
No, I've got ID. You ain't getting it.
Good.
I put that on everything. You gonna do the walk of shame.
Well, I'm not the one walking.
Well, that's all right. The only reason why I'm walking is because I didn't want to bring my car so you can't identify me. Simple as that. Am I breaking the law by walking?
Well, according to South Carolina law, you have to have identification.
Okay, if I've committed a crime, that's the only reason why I'd have to actually identify to you, though, correct?
You have to have one.
Oh, I have to have one. Okay, well, I got one on me, but you ain't getting it. How you like those apples? All right. Yeah, I know, right? You're just a fucking tyrant, bro. You ain't scaring. You ain't scaring me, bro.
I'm not here to scare you.
All right. Well, you're acting like you're acting like a coward.
How?
Because you're like, oh, you're gonna walk up on one of my officers. Shut the fuck up, bro. Yeah, I'm a cop watcher. Simple as that. I got a YouTube channel. I have the First Amendment, and I also have the Fourth Amendment that I'm gonna utilize. In about 2 minutes, I'm about ready to utilize the Fifth Amendment also. So I mean, if you just want to look, bro. You see this guy? You see this guy? You guys see? Get a good look at this guy's face.
Get a good look at me.
Look at this tyrant.
Hardyville PD.
Yep, Hardyville Police.
Turn around this way. How about that?
How about that? Take it deep.
Take a deep what?
Take it deep. Whatever you want.
You're awesome.
Yep. So are you. You're breaking the law right now, and you don't care about it.
Actually, no, I'm not.
Yeah, the f you are.
One of my officers.
Is it a crime to walk up on one of your officers? Is it a crime? Tell me, is it a crime, homie?
It's suspicious.
It's suspicious? All right.
So
what's suspicious about it?
You said you're a cop watcher.
All right, it's suspicious. Hey, is it suspicious a felony or a fucking misdemeanor?
It's suspicious.
Okay, so is it a felony or a misdemeanor?
It's suspicious.
It's not a crime, correct?
I don't know what you're doing.
All right, well, you don't need to know what the fuck I'm doing. As long as I ain't breaking the law, it ain't none of your fucking business.
Well, I don't know. You could have been going up there to hurt one of my officers.
Oh my God, you guys are the biggest cowards. I swear that blue line just thickens your skull, right?
I don't know.
You are the biggest gang in America. That's why I watch y'all. Because you know what? Everybody needs to be known that cowards like you need to be recorded. I'm glad you guys have your light on. That way I can see that mug of yours. Thank you for being respectable.
He's not even talking to you.
I know, because he doesn't want to violate my rights. He doesn't want to violate my rights.
He asked for your ID too.
He must be in training. Or he obviously, well, he must be training you, obviously. Is he letting you drive? Does it feel good? Does it feel good? Yeah, you scared, bro. You were scared, bro. Huh?
You feel good, don't you?
No, I don't feel good. You're sitting here. Hey, you're stopping me from doing what I want to do and what I need to do.
Well,
so
actually, I'm stopping you from potentially hurting.
I'm gonna be out here all night. So when you guys are sitting in the middle of the road like that, I'm gonna come up with a flashlight and I'm gonna keep it on you. How about that? And now I'm gonna be here all night, walking back and forth.
You are.
Bet. Put that on everything. Okay. Yeah, cool. There you go. There goes your other officer. All right. I bet that was the sergeant that was up there, huh?
Nah, that was the officer that you were getting ready to walk up on.
Okay. Well, let's see who he is.
You like watching cops in the middle of the night.
Damn f***ing right I do.
Get back over there.
Hey, bro, don't push on me. Hey, don't be pushing on me.
Well,
don't be pushing on me.
One, don't.
What's up, bro? What's your name and badge number?
Walk up on you in the dark with his little video camera here because he's a YouTuber.
Is it against the law? No, it ain't against the law, right? See? So what law have you suspected me to committing since it's suspicious? What the f is suspicious? Is it a misdemeanor or a felony, bro?
Be quiet and let your YouTube channel hear what I have to say.
Oh, don't worry. They're going to hear it.
You have who was out here walking in dark clothing.
It's blue jeans pants.
Just got out of a van that just pulled up over here, and then you want to walk toward that.
Where the f do you get a crime out of that?
I didn't say it was.
Where do you get a crime out of it then?
for one, you're
Yo,
walking
bro,
this way behind my office.
I can't wait till your sergeant gets here so I can file a complaint on your.
You can do whatever you want to. Complaining hours are from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday.
You ain't nothing but a coward. Can I get my light back?
No.
No?
No.
All right.
So you're gonna sit here and you're gonna.
Y'all see this coward? That's all right. You guys ain't sitting in the middle of the road with your lights off. So I don't give a fuck. I'm succeeding in doing what I want. It's not, I guess. You guys, it wouldn't really matter because who's gonna enforce it with you guys, right?
Is it a crime?
I don't know. You guys are sitting in the middle of the road. If I were to sit in the middle of the road with the lights off, what would you do?
Well,
would you not pull me over?
You know the law, so
hey, would you not pull me over? Would you not pull me over? If I was sitting in the middle of the road, just chilling, wouldn't that be suspicious, huh? That would be more suspicious than me walking.
That would make sure you're all right. That's about it.
Probably a broken down vehicle, and then we would probably stop and check on you.
Okay, so but for what reason? I would have to identify them because I'm driving. I ain't driving, so I ain't got to identify. That's what you want. You want me to identify. I know I ain't got to because I ain't broke no damn law. And you ain't going to get it. And your time's almost running up because if not, remember, isn't it?
We're not on my time. We on your time.
Oh, homie, then if I'm free to go.
You're not free to go because you want my supervisor.
I don't care. Well, then I told you if I don't want your supervisor, I'm free to go or not. If that's what I'm waiting for is your supervisor, I can walk.
So you want a supervisor or not?
I'll be up there regardless to fill out my complaint on your ass.
When you gonna be up there?
It's Agar.
Yeah. Agar.
Yep.
Harderville Police.
All right. What's your badge number?
My badge number is Harderville Police. We don't have a badge number.
No, you don't have an identification number. You don't have none of those, huh?
I gave you what.
We don't have badge numbers down here.
No. That's crazy. Well. Oh, you're gonna shoot me if I put my hand in my pocket now? Because you already searched me, so I need. You know I don't have no weapons.
Take your hands out your pockets.
You know I don't have no weapons, bro.
Take your hands out your pockets.
Bro, you know I don't have no weapons, you coward. You got 3 of y'all sitting here suited and booted with guns.
What's the point of acting like this?
Well, this guy, I'll talk with you since you came up very respectful. I have a YouTube channel where it watches officers to make sure that they're not breaking the law or violating anybody's rights. And this officer right here wanted to detain me and is going on for almost 15 minutes for detaining me for recording, which I know I have the First Amendment right to do so. And he's telling me that I don't. And then he's telling me I have to identify to him, which I haven't broken any crime, so why should I have to identify to this gentleman?
I think the reason he got out with you is because I was on a traffic stop up there.
Okay, but that's fine. He could have pulled up behind you and stood up there. He has no reason to identify me or detain me for no reason. But it's going on almost 15 minutes. So I don't know how South Carolina...
So did I force ID out or did I just ask?
I don't know how South Carolina laws are, but I know if I'm being detained, there has to be a crime that I've committed or about to commit or suspected of a crime, correct?
So, the reason you're still here is because you're waiting for our supervisor, correct?
Okay, I am. But I'm letting you guys know, and because like I let them know, I'll be out here all night since you guys sit in the middle of the road.
Our supervisor's here.
All right, thank you.
So, you can tell her whatever you wish to.
Oh, okay. So is it Hedrick? Hedrick? Is it
Hedrick.
Sergeant Hedrick or Hendricks?
No, I don't know.
All right.
That's nobody like that works for us.
Little short little lady, got an accent. She's from up north. Yeah, that's her. Well, I thought her name was Hedricks or Head.
She'll be here to talk to you.
Oh, I know she will. She gonna say, "Why the hell am I still detained? Cause I ain't break no damn law." Hello, ma'am. Watson, that's it. How's it going, Sergeant Watson? This gentleman right here has detained me because of the fact that I'm walking down the street recording your officers. And he's telling me that I have to identify, and I told him that I haven't committed any crimes, and he says that, oh, well, he's still going to sit here and detain me for no reason against my will.
Negative, sir.
Okay.
When it comes to law enforcement, when you are asked to identify yourself, you are required to identify yourself.
If I've committed a crime, about to commit a crime.
No, sir.
Okay, well, then you
can.
All right.
Listen to me. Right now, you are a person of interest. We
For
don't
what
know who
crime?
you are. Listen.
For what crime,
Can
ma'am?
you shut up and listen?
What crime?
No crime. You're walking on the highway. It's after dark. Who are you? Where are you going? Are
you guys
sure
see this?
Okay?
He was getting ready to walk up behind Humble. So
I'm going to be out here all night.
Parked here. He got out of the van. Well, a van was parked here. He was walking from the direction of the van. We went out with him right here, and Humble was parked up there on his last traffic stop. What he explained to us, make sure this on your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Is that he watches cops.
I'm a cop watcher.
Okay.
You're damn right.
In that direction. So we stopped him.
I've been doing it for years.
I don't know what his intent was.
To watch cops, you
No, excuse me.
So-
Call him a dumbass again and you can go to jail for public disorderly conduct, okay? Understand?
Let your YouTube channel know all that.
And just so you know, mine's
I know.
recording,
Oh, I know.
his
Trust
is
me.
recording,
That's
his
good.
is recording.
Good.
Oh,
It's
and
good.
these two are recording too, okay?
That's really good because when I FOIA requested,
who
it's gonna
are you?
it's gonna look really good
Who
on.
are you?
I'll give you my first name. It's Good Citizen.
Negative, sir. You will stay detained until you identify yourself.
For what crime have you suspect me of committing?
You will remain detained.
Show me the law, ma'am, that you have a right to detain.
Right now, you are a suspicious person walking on the
Is
roadway.
suspicious
Walking on the
a felony
roadways
or a
of the city of
misdemeanor?
Hogg. Oh, by the way, you were walking on this side?
Yes.
Oh, he's walking in the same direction of traffic. That's a South Carolina violation. So go ahead and write him a ticket for that and take him to jail.
Take him to jail?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Let me grab my statue book.
Let me get your ID.
Hold on, because I got my other pants.
So how many pair of pants you got?
I got two on.
All right. I don't know what you got going on.
Look, man, I'm
All right,
just,
listen. I don't know what you got going on. You got
man, seriously, you guys got 8 officers out here. This is.
South Carolina Pedestrian Laws Section 56.5.3160 covers pedestrians on highways. Subsection C states that where neither a sidewalk or a shoulder is available, any pedestrian walking along and upon a highway shall walk as near as practicable to an outside edge of the roadway, and, if on a two-way roadway, shall walk only on the left side of the road. The section does indicate that he should be on the left side of the roadway, but also makes it clear that this law is applicable where neither a sidewalk nor a shoulder is available, which is probably why he only got a warning for this situation. This particular video ends abruptly at this moment, but Colorado Lookout went on to live stream the rest of the encounter. That video and his attempt to FOIA request the body cam footage will be linked down below. Head on over to his channel, let him know that I sent you, and give him some support. And if you have an interaction you want me to review, email me, submit it on my website or through Facebook Messenger. All links are down below. That concludes our video for today. Please subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. If you're old here, like, share, comment down below what you think of this interaction, and consider a channel membership or merch to further support the channel. If you have an incident you'd like us to review, link it down below or contact us through the social media platforms linked in the description.